Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coffee with Codes. My name is Vishal Saw and today I have came up with a new programming question which has been asked in Wipro Automata coding test. So let's go through the question. First I will explain the program and the concept, then I'll explain the code. So let's begin. So let's read the question. During the war, the enemy battalion has planted a bomb in your bunker. Your informer has sent you a message of the enemy which contains a list having n numbers and a key. Okay, so here n will be the size and a key number will be sent with a message. The number are used to construct a sequence to defuse the bomb. According to your informer, the logic to extract the sequence from the whole message is by replacing each number with the sum of the next key numbers. When the value of the key is negative, the number is replaced by the sum of the previous key numbers. The series of the numbers is considered in a cyclic fashion for the last key numbers. Okay, so here is a battle going on and someone has planted a bomb in your bunker. So your informer have sent you a message. So your input will be a message, size of the message which will be n, or size, I'll take the variable size here, and a key. A key will also be sent by the informer to you so that you can defuse the bomb, and you have to extract the sequence to defuse the bomb by replacing each number with the sum of the next key numbers. And if the number is negative, then it will be replaced by the sum of the previous key numbers. So, and one more point is there, the series of number is considered in a cyclic fashion, means the numbers are arranged in a circle. So if here it 1 2 3 4 5 6 has been written, so after 6 1 will start again. So the number will be taken in a cyclic manner. So let's read the further question. The point to the function or method consists of three arguments: size, as I told you, n, size, key, and the message representing the list of integers. Okay, so and the output will return a list of integer representing the sequence to defuse the bomb. The output will be the list of numbers which will defuse the bomb. So here as an example given, input size is 5, key is 3, and the message is this array 4, 2, -5, 11 and 3. So I'll explain the steps which is going to calculate and how it will find the sequence to defuse the bomb. So see, the first operation will be 4. When the number is 4, then it will see 3. The key is 3. So 3 values in the right side. 2, the sum of these values, 2 plus -5 and 11. So see, 2 - 5, 11 gives you 8. So this will be the first number of the sequence to defuse the bomb. So for 4 it will come as 8, and for 2 it is also a positive number, so it will start from -5, 11 and 3, so it will add up to 9. So 2 will gives you 9. For -5, see here, the point is mentioned that the key is negative. When the key is negative, the number is replaced by the sum of previous key numbers. Previous means if it is -5, then it will add up to 4 and one more, which is 3. Okay, so 2, 4, 3 add up to 9 again. So -5 gives you the number 9, and 11 will give you this way. In the right way, 3 After 3 it will go back to first one. See, in the cyclic matter it will go back to starting and add 4 and 2. So see, 3, 4, 2 add up to again 9, 11, and for the last value, the last matches integer which is 3, it will come 4, 2 and minus 5 will be sum as 1. So like this it will get the sequence to defuse the bomb, which is 89991. So this is the concept. Now I'll explain the code in both the languages, in Java and C. So because many of the students say, sir, please explain in Java and C. So for the convenience of the students, I'm going to make this video for C as well as Java. This video I'm going to explain in C. Then look for the other video, which there will be one video which will be in Java. Okay, so let's move to the coding section. So here I have written the code, and now I'll explain the code to you, how I have arranged the code. So this code is written in C language. For Java, there will be one more video after this video. You can refer to that video. So let's start. Hash include stdio.h. We know we have to write this header file to inherit input output library. So this everyone knows, and I have written a void main, which is not going to return any value. And here we start with our main. So I have taken one variable of size, key, ij for loop, and sum for the summation, for doing summations of the numbers. So here I have entered size first and then key, and after that I have initialized message array ms with the range of size, and I have run the for loop where I have taken the inputs of message. So as per our example, size I have taken 5 and the key is 3, and the message array will enter the values 4, 2, minus 5, 11 and 3. So this variables I have entered from the user. Now I'll see the logic. The logic starts from here. I have run a for loop which is starting from I is equals to 0 and will go less than size, because the index number of an array starts with 0. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the index number of this array. So see, so this is going to run from 0 to 4 because size is 5. So it will go till 4 and terminate the loop. And every time I will be incremented by one number. And then I have declared sum is equals to 0, because every time the loop starts, I have to empty the variable sum so that I can start adding again. So if ms, see here, if we have two conditions, if ms value is positive and one is negative. So for positive I have put a condition here, if msi, the value of the ith position, should be greater than or equal to 0, then it will go in this section, otherwise it will go in this section, in the else section. So first let's see for the positive values. See, the 4 is given. So for the 4, for j will be starting from 1 to key, that will be less than equal to key means 3. So it will take from 1 to 3 and j will be incremented 1 by 1. So here see, sum is equals to sum plus msi plus j. I was 0 and j was 1. So it will add up to 1, and module size was 5. So 1 module 5 will give me 1, because module sign refers to the remainder value. So the size will be moduled by the number size. So 1 will be moduled by 5 and gives 1, which is the ith position of the array, and 2 will be added. So 2 will be added to the sum, and for the next I becomes 2, which is then I plus 1, that is 0 plus 2, 2 module 5, which is going to give 2. So minus 5 will be added, and again j become 3. So 0 plus 3, 3, and after moduling with 5, again it gives 3. So it will add 11 and it will give us the value 8. Okay, the first value 8. And for this condition, if 4 after 4, let's suppose for 3, when the I is at 3 index, then it will j will start with 1. So for this value, for this index, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 module 5 gives 4, and then it will add 3 to the sum, and after that j becomes 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 module 5 gives 0, and it will add this index value 4. So see, after 3 it comes to 4, and after that j becomes 3. 3 plus 3, 6, and module by 5 it will give 1, which is this value again. So see, it will continue in the cyclic mode. After 3 it starts again with 4 and 2. So it will gives us 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 for the third index. And now let's see the negative part. If the value gives negative, then it will go to the else part, and again the for loop remains the same, that a j will run from 1 to key, that is 3, and it will incremented 1 by 1. But here I have checked one condition again into the for loop, which is I minus j should be greater than equal to 0, then only this calculation will take place. Otherwise, if it is coming negative, then it will iterate this statement. So let's see the statements which I have written here. If it is at second index 2, so I will be 2 and j will be 1. So 2 minus 1, which is 1. Module 5. So for negative, 1 module 5 gives 1. That is, it is adding this index, 1 index, that is value 2. See, it is going in the previous direction, which is in the left direction. Again j becomes 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So it will again come to the if statement, and 0 module 5 gives 0, which is going to add the value 4. After this, when j becomes 3, then 2 minus 3, which is giving minus 1, and it is going to go to the else part. So this minus 1, 2 minus 3 gives minus 1, and this minus 1 will be added to the size, which is 5. 5 minus 1 gives 4. See, after 4 it went to the last index, which is 4, and adds 3 in it. So it again gives 9. So see, the number in the form of cyclic is adding up. So after every execution, I'll print sum, and I'll again iterate the loop for the next index. So like this was the concept of the program. So I hope you understood the logic. So now I'm going to show you the output. So see here, I have written the expected inputs. I have written the example inputs, and I'm going to run it, and you can see that it is going to give the expected output, which is 89991, and here is the link I have copied, and I'll give in the description below. So this was the program in C. And guys, I know I'm giving this coding video after a long time because I'm working on a project and which will be very helpful for you all to learn coding. So I'm writing a book which is going to publish on the end of January or in the 1st of February, and this book will help you learn C programming from zero. So I hope you will like this book, and it is going to come out soon. So best of luck for your exams and keep practicing with Coffee with Codes. Thank you. If you liked my explanation, please give a thumbs up, and please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. So bye.